Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So, friends, let's start the video. Digital kitchen scale. Contemporary slim design. Made of stainless steel material, it is easy to use and clean, provides accurate weight data with a user-friendly control panel and system, with high-precision sensors to ensure correct performance and readouts. Multiple unit conversion setting. You can easily switch to any unit that you need. It can show units in the following: G/kg/lb/us/ml/milk ml. Yes. It includes milk volume measurement. Low energy consumption with included battery. This unit comes with an button battery and doesn't consume too much power. Plus, it has an auto shut-off feature. Backlit display. Easy to see and read panel. The unit has a negative white digital display, so it is easy to read and see even in not well-lit rooms. After-sales support and trusted customer support team assist you with any questions that might arise about your kitchen scale. We take pride in our work and want you to have a great experience from beginning to end. Mini USB electric garlic masher. Easy use, powerful product size, 3.94 by 4.53. Just manually put food or ingredients into the 60W powerful vegetable chopper. Lock the lid and chop food quickly with one button. Garlic chopper with 4 stainless steel 304 sharp blades. Only needs 20s, can automatic and evenly chop/mince/blend a wide variety of foods, saving you time and freeing your hands. USB charging portable. The rechargeable electric garlic chopper supports USB charging. Handheld cordless mincer can be used about 50 times after full charged. This 250 milliliters portable food processor features compact volume and satisfied the needs when traveling or camping. Easy clean, IPX65 waterproof. Our 250 milliliters large capacity food chopper can be rinsed directly with water after use. Kitchen knife set. All-in-one kitchen set. 15-piece knife set includes 8 chef's knife, 8 slicing knife, 7 santoka knife, 8 serrated bread knife, 5 utility knife, 3.5 paring knife, 6 4.5 serrated steak knives, 1 kitchen shear and hardwood knife block with built-in knife sharpener. High performance. Hunter Dual Kitchen Knife Set is stain and rust resistant and can be used with high frequency or after long periods of inactivity to fully utilize the life of the knives. Non-stick, rust resistant. With a black coating that prevents oxidation of the steel, the kitchen knife set will last a long time and remain non-stick and rust resistant. Dishwasher safe. The knife set can be washed in the dishwasher, easy and quick to operate, and dry the knife set after cleaning for easy storage, not taking up space. Vegetable chopper. The original pro chopper. Our superstar veggie slicer has been creating waves on TikTok. Simple to use, set up, and clean. Save time and energy during meal prep with our OG vegetable chopper. Chop, slice, and dice your ingredients like a seasoned chef. Easy meal prep with rust-resistant blades. Our vegetable chopper is perfect for anyone who wants to eat healthier but doesn't have a lot of time to spare. Dice potatoes, tomatoes, cucumbers, carrots, and more with the heavy-duty, rust-resistant blades. The 420 stainless steel blades retain razor sharpness for crisp, smooth dicing. A kitchen essential. Whether you're a novice cook or a seasoned pro, the Full-Star Food Chopper is a must-have in any kitchen. It's versatile, easy to use, and dishwasher safe. Please read the instruction manual provided with the Full-Star Food Chopper closely before use. Oil sprayer. Lifetime assurance. We stand behind the quality of our olive oil dispenser bottle. If you're unsatisfied or face any issues, contact us anytime. We offer lifetime support to ensure you're fully satisfied with this essential kitchen essential. Dual dispensing. This 2-in-1 oil dispenser and oil sprayer allows you to spray or pour with ease. It's a versatile oil dispenser bottle spray and pour solution, keeping your kitchen organized and efficient. Precision spray nozzle. The olive oil spray bottle features a nozzle that delivers a fine mist or steady stream, offering precise control. It's perfect for drizzling or spraying, making it an essential oil bottles for kitchen. Control oil intake. Each spray dispenses 0.15 g of oil, helping you manage your daily intake. This cooking oil sprayer is designed for healthier, more controlled cooking with minimal waste. Infrared oven. Reduce bad cholesterol. The American Heart Association recommends that one way to reduce the saturated fats in meats is to use a rack to drain off the fat when cooking. That is precisely how Pro Plus 2 cooks. A 60-day trial has shown that 75% of participants effectively decreased their cholesterol levels when doing nothing but cooking with the New Wave oven. Family size capacity. Whether cooking for one or a family, the Pro Plus 2 is the perfect companion. Whether air frying a small fillet of salmon or roasting a whole 10 pounds. Turkey Pro Plus 2 has the capacity and the versatility to cook a delicious meal for one or entire meal for the family with ease. One oven meals. Say goodbye to the hassle of preparing multiple batches. You can now cook multiple dishes all at the same time in the Pro Plus 2. Prepare a main course, sides, desserts, and more all together. Bench scraper. Thickened stainless steel. This bench scraper is made of thickened stainless steel, non-reactive, rust-free, hygienic, and durable. Heavy duty. Precision beveled edge. Made of knife-grade steel, the edge is beveled precisely. Balanced sharpness is convenient for scraping and cutting. Firm grip, ergonomic and comfortable non-slip wooden handle. Great for scraping up food ingredients to easily transfer to a mixing bowl or for cleaning your work surface. Measuring inch marking scale, for precise measuring while cooking or grilling. Griddle scraper bench knife. Also perfect for barbecue and grill, as well as for cast iron griddle or flat top cooking as griddle grill accessories for your home kitchen or backyard barbecue. Great as a gift. Kitchen funnel set. Food-grade kitchen accessories. The silicone funnel is flexible and not prone to deformation. The kitchen funnel is heat-resistant, ranging from -40 degrees Celsius to 240 degrees Celsius. It can come into direct contact with food. There's no need to worry that the material of plastic funnels might affect the health of your family members. Funnels for filling bottles. Size. The maximum height of the small funnel when unfolded is 2.95 inches, and the width of the wide opening is 3.54 inches. The mini funnel is an absolute must-have kitchen tool accessory for moms. Food storage container. Premium borosilicate glass. Experience the durability and clarity of our borosilicate glass food storage containers. Perfect for everyday use, these containers are a popular choice among consumers looking for long-lasting, high-quality kitchenware. Airtight freshness. Keep your meals fresher for longer with our airtight food storage containers. The precision-fit lids ensure an airtight seal, making them ideal for meal prep and preserving leftovers, while maintaining flavor and freshness. Microwave oven-safe convenience. Simplify your cooking and reheating process with our oven-safe and microwave-safe glass containers. Their versatile design is perfect for busy lifestyles, allowing for easy transition from freezer to microwave or oven. Safe, trustworthy. Prioritize your health with our BPA-free glass food containers. They provide the assurance of safety and quality for all your kitchen storage needs. Air fry. Air crisp technology. 400 degrees Fahrenheit superheated air surrounds food for hot, crispy results with little to no oil. Large capacity. The 5QD non-stick basket and crisper plate fit up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings. 4-in-1 functionality. Air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. Guilt-free fried foods. Up to 75% less fat than traditional air frying methods. Tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. Frozen TO crispy. Cook frozen foods in just minutes for an extra crispy finish. Space saver. Ninja's latest air fryer design allows you to save even more space on your countertop without compromising capacity. Easy TO clean. The basket and crisper plate are both non-stick for easy cleaning. What's included? Air fryer, 5QD non-stick basket and crisper plate, chef-inspired 20-recipe book and cooking charts. Vegetable washing bowl. Fruit strainer container with lid. The fruit washing bowl with a strainer features a sealed drainage switch and a hollow mesh design, allowing for quick and thorough cleaning of fruits and vegetables. Quality materials. Fruit strainer made from high-quality PP materials. The fruit drainer container is sturdy, durable, and easy to clean. It helps keep fruits and veggies fresh even at low temperatures, ensuring a healthy, fresh snack anytime. 2-in-1 drain basket. This multifunctional fruit and vegetable washing bowl comes with a built-in 2-in-1 design, The inner drainage tray prevents your fruits and vegetables from sitting in water, helping to preserve their freshness for longer.